This is a follow-up video on the music box, and if the fan, see, I can touch it with a screwdriver and it moves. If the fan is too loose, when the music plays, it's going to play too fast. If this fan is too tight, when the music plays, it's going to drag. And you adjust this fan by squeezing this little, by squeezing taking the fan off, squeezing the little tab that the pivot slides in, and putting the fan back on. Also, when you put the fan on, if it's up in the air too high, it will not rotate. When the music is activated, what happens is this fan goes up in the air. So if it is up in the air too much, it will not rotate. Let me make the music play. Now watch it really slowly. You see how it goes up in the air? So if I was to, and I don't know if I could do this on camera, if I was to push this fan up in the air, okay, now it's up in the air, and if I was to rotate the wheel, see, the fan ain't spinning. So I have to push it back down. Now I can rotate the wheel and the fan spins. And you should be able to blow, and I'm going to go ahead and try to blow on the fan on camera. And the fan moves, in which it does. I just don't have enough air because I smoke to do this on camera too far away. Okay, now I'm going to show you a cuckoo clock. And again, you have to make sure all the pivot holes are clean. I've used some music boxes where you have some play in the pivot holes, but if there's too much play, it will stop your music box. Also, this fan has to go into a certain hole up on top. If it's not in that hole, I don't know if you could see this, but one would think that that fan would go in the center of this hole here, but it doesn't. It goes to the side. There's a hole to the side of that top piece. And that's where that fan goes. So if your fan is not in that right hole, that also might be stopping it from playing. But I'm going to show you a cuckoo clock that the music is dragging. I know what it is. It's this fan is too tight. hoping to get this to play, but I got to take this cuckoo clock back apart. And the reason why is because the music drags on it. I can't even get the thing to cuckoo. But the music drags on it. And that's because that fan is too tight. I thought I was going to be able to show you, but apparently not. Anyway, I hope this helps. I hope you subscribe to my YouTube channel. God bless.